Good afternoon to all Kenwood viewers. This is a 2013 Eurostyle motorhome which is based on a Fiat Ducato chassis, and in this unit we've fitted the fabulous KENWOOD DNR992RVS. So as you can see there, quite a big looking unit, 10.1 HD screen. If I just turn the ignition on, see there, you've got the KENWOOD boot up logo. Shut the door. So it's a lovely looking motorhome this. So we've got on this baby, we've got FM radio, DAB radio, we've got Bluetooth connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, both wirelessly if required. We've got USB socket. I believe we've run it into the top glove box. So yeah, so we've got USB socket there for charging the phone or plugging a USB stick in. As mentioned, this is wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto, so you don't necessarily need to plug the phone in to get the apps. We've also fitted a reverse camera to this, with it just being a large vehicle. Just pop it into reverse. There we go. We've fitted the KENWOOD CMOS 230 camera on here, so it's got quite a good horizontal and vertical view. Just put that back out. Menu, and obviously with this being the motorhome version, this has also got the Garmin navigation, which gives you the campsites, caravan sites. You can put your heights, widths, measurements of the vehicle in, so it doesn't take you down no silly roads. So like I say, USB, we've got SD card for map updates, normal radio, obviously DAB radio. Very easy to actually navigate on this thing. So you've got your search, and there you've got just a list of A to Z of the stations, so you can use the arrows or you can just scroll on the screen. It's quite intuitive, quite easy to use, and obviously a massive screen to view things on. If you need something like this in your motorhome, if you want to give the guys at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.